VocabClass strives to provide educators with the ultimate customizable word study platform. With this in mind, we understand some words have multiple definitions requiring completely different context sentences. That's why we provide teachers with the feature of adding their own custom definitions and custom context sentences to any of their custom word lists. This feature only applies to words in teacher-created custom lists. And, teachers have the option of inputting their own definitions and context sentences.